To do this trend, you have to first go to Pinterest and search your name on it, followed by core. Now download around 10 photos from here. After downloading all photos, open any editing application you have. I am using CapCut. Now go to New Project and first add your photo and then add all the 10 photos you have downloaded. Now select Format 9:16 and then adjust your photos to full screen. Now delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. After typing the text, choose font and style and then place the text. Now apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.